Hello everybody, I really hope that everybody is being safe and healthy in this very unexpectedly crazy year. I for one cannot believe that it's December already, but it is. And I know that means a lot of you are going to be buying Christmas presents. So I wanted to give you a discount code on one of my personal favorite shop items, which is my Bluetooth hearing protection made by ISOtunes. From the 7th of December to the 11th, you can buy the Pro 1.0 in matte black and get another one just like it for free. Use a discount code AprilBOGO. You're going to need to add both items to your cart and then apply the promo code in order to get the second set for free. If you're interested in one of the other amazing models besides the 1.0 in matte black, you can still save $10 by using my code APRIL. This will get you $10 off any of the pairs on the ISOtunes.com website. I'll go ahead and leave you a link in the description down below. Go ahead and look at your list of the people that you need to shop for, and if you have anybody on it who loves the gym, who loves to travel, who works in a shop around tools, who does yard work, then this is a slam dunk gift that they'll not only love, but also go towards saving their ears, as it is OSHA compliant. If you're already part of the ISOtunes family, then I recommend checking out two other videos that I've already put out. One is a list of ideas on what I think that you could buy a woodworker or anybody with a shop that they would absolutely love. And then another one is last minute Christmas present ideas. It gives you ideas on what you can make if you're wanting to actually make gifts this holiday season. So I hope that all of those help you out. Take advantage of the discount code while it's available. Again, it's only good until the 11th. Big thank you to ISOtunes for supporting my brand for so many years and also putting out such great quality products that is so easy to stand behind. I hope everybody stays safe and enjoy the holiday season. I will see you soon.